Have you ever wondered how some organizations seamlessly navigate complex societal issues, maintaining positive relationships with diverse stakeholders, even in challenging times? The answer often lies in the expertise of skilled public affairs professionals. Many organizations struggle to effectively manage their public image and relationships with various stakeholders, including community groups, media, and government entities. This can lead to reputational damage, missed opportunities for positive engagement, and difficulty in aligning business objectives with societal expectations. Without proper public affairs training, companies may find themselves constantly reacting to crises rather than proactively shaping their public narrative. At a personal level, professionals in this field often feel overwhelmed by the multifaceted nature of public affairs. They may struggle with balancing diverse stakeholder interests, lack confidence in crisis management situations, or find it challenging to develop strategies that effectively bridge corporate and public interests. This can result in inconsistent messaging, ineffective community engagement, and missed opportunities to positively influence public opinion. This is where our comprehensive certification program steps in to address these challenges. By providing in-depth training on public affairs strategies, stakeholder engagement techniques, and crisis management, the course equips both organizations and individuals with the tools they need to excel in this critical function. The benefits of this certification are far-reaching. Participants will gain expertise in reputation management, learn to develop and implement effective public affairs campaigns, and acquire skills in issues management and crisis communication. They'll also explore media relations, community engagement strategies, and techniques for aligning public affairs efforts with overall business objectives. For organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Companies will be better positioned to shape public perception, build strong relationships with key stakeholders, and effectively manage reputational risks. This can lead to improved public trust, enhanced corporate social responsibility outcomes, and a stronger license to operate in various communities. On a personal and team level, professionals will experience a significant boost in their strategic thinking and execution capabilities. They'll be able to contribute more meaningfully to organizational strategy, improve stakeholder relationships, and add value through their enhanced understanding of the public affairs function. Teams will collaborate more effectively across departments, ensuring a consistent and positive public image across all touchpoints. Don't let a lack of public affairs expertise hinder your organization's reputation and stakeholder relationships. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in this critical area. Enroll in this certification program today and take a decisive step towards becoming a certified public affairs officer. Your journey to mastering the art and science of public affairs starts here. Seize this opportunity to transform your approach to stakeholder engagement and public perception management.